Hey guys, welcome to the Hashtag Coder YouTube channel. In the last video, we have seen some basic input tag. Now in this video, we will see how to create basic login window using the HTML tag. So let's start it. So this is the login.html file I already created. So this is the basic HTML structure. Now in the title, I just write login window or just login. Okay, now we will create the login window in the table. Means we will create this login window using the table. So I just write table tag. So this is the table tag. So for the login window we need 3 rows and 2 columns. So I will create 3 rows. This is first row, this is second row, and this is the third row. In the first row I will create 2 cells. If you did not know how to create table, then you can watch my previous video. I have explained well how to create table in that video. This is the table and these are the cells I created. So in the first cell I just write it's username, and in the second cell I will just create a simple input. So it has the attribute type and a name. So it is what type of input? It is the text type of input, and its name is username. Now the second window is it's not second window, it's the second input. Input is password. So I will just create the password input type is equal to password, and name is equal to password. Okay, so this is just the basic window. In the next video we will create login window using CSS. So this is just the basic window I am telling you. Now we will create the submit button. So it is the input type submit, which submit the form, and we will set its name as submit button. Submit. Okay, and then we have reset button. So we will create reset button. Input type is equal to reset, and its name will be reset. So I will save it and open this window with the browser. So now you can see here the login window is created. Now we will make this window in the center. So for that we will use center tag. Center. In the center tag I will just cut this whole code and add between the center tag. So the table will align the center. So now you can see we have created a basic login window which has the 2 input field, which is the username and the password, and 2 buttons, which is submit and reset. So thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video we will see how to create login window using CSS and HTML. So thank you so much.